Going that extra mile to protect your skin during winters is important because you definitely don't want to lose your natural skin color, glow, or skin health only because a season changed. We should be aware about what our skin type is and then roll out wellness plan to follow through the entire winter season. We must note that different skin types react differently to the changing seasons. There is a skincare solution for all skin types, whether you have normal to dry skin or combination to oily skin. For normal to dry skin, you should begin with cleansing using a gentle skin cleanser, then applying alcohol-free toner, moisturizing cream and sunblock with SPF 30. For combination to oily skin, start with applying salicylic acid-based oily skin cleanser to unclog the pores, followed by toner application to soothe the inflamed skin and water-based moisturizer to hydrate it. Also, for the long time, if you were thinking how to deal with dark circles, here's what you need to do. A few kitchen remedies will do the trick that heavy chemical-based products might not have. Use cold tea bags to place over your eyes. And you can even apply almond oil on your dark circles and gently massage. Dark circles will gradually diminish on their own. To get rid of tan lines, you can again resort to simple home remedies such as use of yogurt, honey and coconut oil and gently exfoliate on the parts with most tan lines. In order to ensure your skin is absolutely healthy during season change, you must follow a few simple steps. Start by changing your cleanser, try a heavy moisturizer, look for hydrating ingredients, exfoliate and never forget your lips and eyes. While you're at it, consider an annual skin check too, only to be doubly sure. It's important to pay attention to unusual skin changes or bumps you might have before it lands on your skin in a not so ideal place. Acne is considered as one of the most common skin ailments or conditions that need to be attended to on time. The potential reasons for acne could be hormonal changes, oily skin, bad eating habits, and others. Atopic dermatitis is another form of skin condition also known as eczema. Experts haven't yet confirmed the real cause of this allergic reaction, but it's believed that it might have something to do with your genetics, your environment, or the immune system. Shingles is another disease caused by the chickenpox virus. It can appear in the form of red, blistered rash anywhere on your body. Being able to identify any of these skin ailments is simple. The key is to be watchful always. If you notice your skin going through any unusual changes, you should act on it immediately. Consider changing your diet. Resort to absolutely healthy food. Even then, if the skin doesn't respond, you should see a dermatologist. The next important concern with women and everyone in general is how to stop our skin from aging and what's the right age to start using anti-aging creams. For starters, it's important to understand what you can do at the grassroots level to prevent early aging of skin, which starts with the appearance of wrinkles. Protecting your skin against sun exposure is the key to prevent premature wrinkles and aging. Use sunscreen regularly. Even if it's not sunny outside, you must apply sunscreen because UV rays can penetrate even the clouds. Retinoids are believed to be one of the most researched ingredients used to care for aging skin. It's a vitamin A derivative credited for reducing fine lines, wrinkles, pores, and more. They work to restore your skin texture, hydration levels, and overall pigmentation and skin tone. And of course, moisturize, moisturize, and moisturize. Stay hydrated, eat nutritious food, and de-stress often, and your skin will be off for a fresh start. If you're in your early 30s and noticing fine lines and wrinkles, you shouldn't wait any longer. Get your hands on the anti-aging creams and products suitable for your skin type and get that supple and smooth skin like you always imagined.